precious time is a 32 count 4-wall dance. We're going to start off traveling towards the right diagonal, leading with the right, stepping right together, right, and then touch the left next to the right. Okay, so let's do that again. Ready, and right together, right, touch. We've just done a touch with the left, and now we're going to mirror that pattern to the top left corner with a left together, left touch. So let's put those two sections together. Ready, and right together, right touch, left together, left touch. We're going to come back on the right, touch the left next to the right as we do a clap. Come back on the left, touch the right with a clap. Again, back, touch, touch. So let's add that on from the beginning. Right together, right touch to the diagonal. Ready, and right together, right touch, left together, left touch, back on the right, back, touch, back, touch, back, touch, back, touch. Let's do it again. Ready, and right together, right touch, left together, left touch, back, touch, back, touch, back, touch, back, touch. Just done a touch with the right, so the right's free. We're going to do a grapevine to the right, side, behind, side, touch, and a grapevine to the left, side, behind, side, touch. Let's add it together from the beginning, towards the diagonal, leading with the right, ready, and right together, right touch, left together, left touch, back touch, back touch, back touch, back touch, grapevine, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. Let's do it one more time from the top to the right diagonal, leading with the right, ready, and right together, right touch, left together, left touch, back touch, back touch, back touch, back touch, grapevine, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. From here, we're going to do what we call a quarter Monterey turn. So I'll show you the Monterey without a turn in it. We're going to point the right and step it in next to the left, then point the left and step it down next to the right. Okay, so it's point the right, step it in, point the left, step it in. Yes, so do that again, ready, and point the right, step it in, point the left, step it in. Now we want to sneak in a little quarter turn to the right into our Monterey. So we're going to point the right. As we bring the right in to step it down, we're going to turn our head and shoulders a quarter turn to the right. Rise up slightly onto the ball of that left foot as we bring that right foot in, step it down, and we've made a quarter turn. Then you point the left and step it in. Okay, just as we did before, right? So remember, we're doing point the right, step it in, point the left, step it in. You just put in a little quarter turn with your head and shoulders. That's all you need to do. The footwork stays the same. As you bring that right in, look a quarter turn to the right. Ready, and point, spin, point, in. Yes? We do it again, ready, and right, step it down, left, step it down. And again, ready, and point, spin, point, in. So it's really important, whichever wall you want to get to, if you just turn your head and shoulders, the body will follow. The footwork stays the same. So we're going to add that on from the grapevine to the left. So we do the grapevine to the left, side, behind, side, touch. Straight away, the leg goes out for that point, point, spin, point, in. So let's do that again. Grapevine to the left, ready, and side, behind, side, touch, point, spin, point, in. And again. Ready, and side, behind, side, touch, point, spin, point, in. Now we'll take it from the grapevine to the right. Ready, and side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, point, spin, point, in. Yes? Now we'll take it from the beginning. right together, right. Ready, and right together, right, touch, left together, left, touch, back, touch, back, touch, back, touch, back, touch. Grapevine, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, point, spin, point, in. Right, last thing is a jazz box. So once you finish your Monterey turn, you're going into a jazz. It's a jazz box. You've got the weight in the left. You're going to start your jazz box with the right. We're going to step the right across in front of the left. Step the left back, step the right to the side, step the left next to the right and put all the weight in it. Okay? So if you imagine that you're standing on a doormat, you're visiting the corners of the doormat. You're going to visit the top left corner of the doormat with your right leg. So you step across that top left corner. Step back to the bottom left corner, step the right out to the side, to the bottom right corner, and then just step the left next to the right, ignoring the last corner, but making sure you put all the weight in that left. Okay, so do a jazz box again. Ready, and cross, back, side, together. All the weight in the left. And again, ready, and cross, back, side, together. So now, if we do our Monterey turn, facing 12 o'clock, you're going to point, spin to 3 o'clock. Ready, and point, spin, point, step it in. So you've got the weight in the left. Now your jazz, cross, back, side, together, and all the weights in the left. Ready for you to start again. Let's do that again from the Monterey. Ready, and point, spin, point, in, cross, back, side, together. Now let's take it from the beginning. Traveling towards the right diagonal. Ready, and right together, right, touch, left together, left, touch, back, touch, back, touch, back, touch, back, touch. Grapevine, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, point, spin, point, in, cross, back, side, together. Let's take it from the top again. Towards the right diagonal, leading with your right. Ready, and right together, right, touch, left together, left, touch, back, touch, back, touch, back, touch, back, touch. Grapevine, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, point, spin, point, in, cross, back, side, together. Right, let's do our second wall, facing 3 o'clock. Ready, and right together, right, touch, left together, left, touch, back, touch, back, touch, back, touch, back, touch. Grapevine, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, point, spin, point, in, cross, back, side, together. Let's do our third wall, facing 6 o'clock, leading with the right, towards the right diagonal, right together, right, touch. Ready, and right together, right, touch, left together, left, touch, back, touch, back, touch, back, touch, back, touch. Grapevine, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. Monterey, point, spin, point, in, cross, back, side, together. Do our fourth wall, facing 9 o'clock. Ready, and right together, right, touch, left together, left, touch, back, touch, back, touch, back, touch, back, touch. Grapevine, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch, point, spin, point, in, cross, back, side, together. Now we're going to practice linking the end of the dance with the beginning. So we will have finished with the jazz box, leading with the right, cross, back, side, together. And although we've stepped together, make sure all the weight's on that left leg. You can do that by releasing weight in the right, so the right knee's popped forward. Then you're ready to start again, right together, right, touch. Okay, so let's practice that again. From the jazz box, leading with the right, ready, and cross, back, side, together, right together, right, touch. Now let's go from the Monterey turn, face 9 o'clock. We're going to do a point, spin, point in, and we're turning to 12, followed by your jazz box, then go into the beginning of the dance. Pointing the right out, ready, and point, spin, spin, point in, cross, back, side together, right, touch. Now let's go round the 4 walls without stopping. 5, 6, 7, and right together, right touch, left together, left touch, back touch, back touch, back touch, back touch, grapevine, side behind, side touch, side behind, side touch, Monterey, point spin, point in, cross back, side together, right touch, left together, left touch, back touch, back touch, back touch, back touch, grapevine, side behind, side touch, side behind, side touch, point spin, point in, cross back, side together, right touch, left together, left touch, back touch, back touch, back touch, back touch, grapevine, side behind, side touch, side behind, side touch, point spin, point in, cross back, side together, right touch, left together, left touch, back touch, back touch, back touch, back touch, grapevine, side behind, side touch, side behind, side touch, point spin, point in, cross back, side together.